Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So let's see, today the topic is Visha, its introduction. So in this chapter we are going to deal about Visha, its synonyms, its type, mythological origin and adhisthana of Visha. So let's see first etymology, the very site of one that causes Vishada, that means depression among living beings, is known as Visha, or the one that entraps human being in Mrityu Pasha. It is known as death rope, or like Yama Pasha, where he takes away the life of human being. In the same way, the poison also takes away the life, that is known as Mrityu Pasha, and destroys him. That is the etymology of Visha. So let's see the mythological origin. Just listen. Acharya Charaka, in 23rd of Chikitsa Sthana, he narrated a story explaining the first origin or the mythological origin of Visha. He says, in the days of yore, while Samudra Mantana, like Samudra was churned by Sura and Asura, like God and demons, by using that Sarpa, even prior to the production of Amrita, a Gora Darshana Purusha, like a ferocious looking person who was resplendent, means he looks very horrible, and had four damstra, means fangs, like how the snakes have their tongue. In the same way, that person was having, and his air was like 20 Harikesha and Anala Aksha, means fiery eyes emerged. So the world become Vishana, like the world gets scared. Okay, at his sight, because of his sight, he called to be as Visha. Okay, so by seeing this, Lord Brahma deposited this poison, means the named person as poison, he deposited him in Jangama and Stavara Pradesha. Okay, therefore Visha, which is originated from Ambu, is of two types. Okay, that is Stavara and Jangama. Here another story who narrates is Acharya Shushruta, who is a father of surgery. He also narrated a story. He says, while Brahma, the creator, was creating the universe, a demon named Kaitaba. So this Kaitaba, he is a Rakshasa. He was putting obstacles which angered Brahma. So this angered Brahma because of his disturbance. So the Brahma, what he did, he, because of his anger, he made that demon to burn into ash. So that ash fell on the bhumi or ground and get deposited in plants, animals. So here completes the story. Okay. Then after creating the progeny, the Lord put the remnant anger in beings, that is Changama and Stavara. Okay, let's see the definition. Vishaja jananatvacha vishamithyabhidiyate. Okay, because of producing Vishada, it came to be known as Visha. Here, Vishada means despair. Despair is nothing but lose of life, anything. So, lose something. Here, lose means what we are going to lose? Lose our life because of Visha. If we consume Visha, immediately we will die. Okay, so let's see synonyms. Shvedastu Garalam Visham. Okay, this is a shloka. So synonyms as are Shveda, Garala, Kalakuta, Rasa, Gada, Jivitapaham, Tikshna. These are the synonyms. So let's see the classification of Visha. So according to Acharya Shushruta, Stavaram, Jangamam, Chaiva, Dvividam, Visham, Uchate. He says there are two types. One is Stavara and Jangama. Stavara means poison from immobile source. Jangama means poison from mobile source. Okay. According to Acharya Charaka, he says Visha is originated from Ambu and it is of two types again, Stavara and Jangama. Acharya Vagbata, he classified into two types. Okay, Akritima Visha, Kritima Visha. Akritima Visha means it is natural poison. Kritrima Visha means it is artificial, which we prepare. Okay, Akritama is again divided into two types, that is Stavara and Jangama. Okay. Again, the another Acharya, Kayyadeva Pandita, he divided three types: Stavara Visha, Jangama Visha, Dushi Visha. Dushi Visha means which causes pollution or polluting Visha. Again, Kaviraja Sadananda Sharma, he also classified two types, that is Visha and Upavisha. Okay, so again, Visha is of 9 in number. When we take Rasatarangani reference, the shloka is here. Halahala Kalakuta Shrungakascha Pradipana Saurashtrako Brahmaputra Haridraha Saktukastata Vatsanaba Iti Gneya Vishabhedo Aminava. Okay, these are 9 in number. Alahala, Kalakuta, Shrungakascha, Pradipana, Saurashtra, Brahmaputra, Haridra, Saktuka, Vatsanaba. These are 9 in number. These are Vishas. Again, Upavisha. Here the shloka. Vishatinduka bija cha tva ahifena cha rechakam dattura bija vijaya gunja pallataka arka kshiram snuhi kshiram langali karavirakam. Okay, these are the Upavishas. They are 11 in number. So let's see what is the Adhisthana of Visha. According to Acharya Shushruta, he mentioned mainly 10 sites for Stavara Visha. Okay, they are Moola, Patra, Phala, Pushpa, Tvak, Kshira, Sara, Niryasa, Dhatu, and Kanda. These are the 10 sites of Stavara Visha. Again, Acharya Charaka, he also enlisted the Adhisthana. It is more than 21. So Acharya Charaka has given a list of more than 21 drugs which belong to Stavara Visha and whose moola are poison, which roots are poisonous. They are like these goes like Mustaka, Paushkaram, Krauncha, Vatsanaba, Balahakam, Karkatam, Kalakuta, Karavira, Palaka, Indrayudham, Taila, Mechakam, Kushapushpakam, Rohisham, Pundarika, Langalyakam, Anjanabakam, Sankocha, Markata, Shrungi Visha, Halahalam. These are the Adhisthana mentioned by Charaka. He said more than 21. I have enlisted 21. Okay. So let's see Adhisthana of Jangama Visha now. According to Acharya Shushruta, he enlisted 16 sites of Jangama Visha. They are Drishti, Nishwasa, Dramshra, Nakha, Mutra, Purusha, Shukra, Lala, Artava, Mukasadamsha, Vishardita, Tunda, Asti, Pitta, Shuka, Shava. These are the Jangama Adhisthana. Acharya Charaka again enlisted more than 17 drugs whose damshra carry toxin. Sarpa, Kita, Undura, Luta, Prichika, Jalauka, Matsya, Manduka, Shva, Simha. Again, more than 17 drugs he have enlisted. So let's see what is Gati of Vishana, means moment of Visha. As per Charaka, he says Jangama Visha moves downwards in alimentary canal. When we consume Visha, Jangama Visha moves downwards in alimentary canal and Stavara Visha moves in the upward direction. Okay, keep this in mind. And next concept is ill effects of Visha. As per Charaka, he says the teja or the strength or the heat of Visha causes leaking of blood and causing obstruction in srotas and thus killing a individual. Okay, if Visha is consumed orally, then it gets lodged in Hridaya. If through the bite, then it will be Damshadesha, means the bite area. Next is Rakta Vishadhana, means which carry the poison. The blood only is the vehicle which carry the poison, as the Vayu is of Agni. Okay, yeah, we wind up the chapter. So we have discussed today all the concept like etymology, mythological origin, and synonyms and the definition, Adhisthana and Visha, Upavisha, etc. Okay, so here I wind up my chapter. Thank you.